My name is Danny Monique, and to all of my Dozen Rosa, what's up? Okay. So, first of all, please do not leave without subscribing and liking my ish. And as you guys can see by today's title, your girl gonna be putting y'all up on game because y'all need it. Cause we trying to get them subs up. We trying to get them 4,000 hours. I'm almost there, y'all. I literally have 160 more subscribers I need. So go ahead and subscribe. And your girl needs like 700 more watch hours, and I'm there. Your girl there. I made it. I made it. Almost. So, and y'all know y'all see the little puffy hair, whatever. But this is day 2 of Vlogmas. Yeah. In the next video, y'all gonna see me with the same shirt on. And it is. Y'all is. Because I'm making videos, okay? So, get your mind right. So, in the next video, I'm gonna be, straightening my hair, telling y'all a good, juicy little story that is very special to me. So, like I said, go ahead and subscribe. And tomorrow, y'all see that video. So, I just was like, let me show y'all my little puffy hair, I just straightened it. I washed it. Not straightened it. I washed it and dried it. So, I was like, you know what? Let's start right now. Nope. My mom's calling me. I'll call her back. I was like, let me go ahead and just make another quick little video, before we get to the next step. So, yeah. So, I'm going to be giving you guys, as you can see by the title, 31 video ideas for Vlogtober, okay? And your girl, yes, I'm doing it. I'm trying. I told myself I'm doing this for Damo, so I did not complete Veda in August because I was stressed out. Like, that was just the beginning of a new chapter in my life, and I did about a week and a half, so I did good, okay, for the circumstances. But I am playing, like, today is, what is today's date? Like, I'm not playing with y'all. Today is September the 15th. So y'all know I'm getting these videos together for y'all, and your girl gonna complete Vlogtober for the first time in her life. The last year I didn't. And I'm gonna do Vlogmas as well. I got to, man. But anyway, let me stop all this Gemini talking y'all heads off, because that ain't what y'all here for. And let me get to it, okay? Okay, so me and my main, my lion main, is gonna give y'all 31 video ideas. I'm trying not to ramble because the Gemini and me, y'all, I'm a gym, and we like to talk. We like to run out now, baby. Why? You can go to a a pumpkin patch. I've never been to one, and I'm gonna really do my research and see if somewhere near have a pumpkin patch, because that would be dope. I've never been to one. So, number 2, we can be going to a haunted house. I haven't been to one of those since I was a little girl, and that shit was scary. It was very scary. Even though you knew it wasn't real, it was real, and it was fun. So that is an awesome idea, especially if you have kids. Like my kids, I have a 13-year-old and I have a 9-year-old and I have a 2-year-old. Of course, the 2-year-old can't go, but that would be dope. Like, scare the shit out of them, okay? Okay, so number 3, after you go to the pumpkin patch, guess what? You got you a good old pumpkin that you can carve. So that's another video. So that's number 3. Video number 4. You could have a Halloween movie night. Yeah, we definitely doing that. Because it's not like family time, nothing. And you pop you some popcorn, get you whatever it is that you need, some good old hot chocolate. Just, let me give you all of my good old ideas. Nah, I'm just playing, yeah. But yeah, get you some good old popcorn, get you some good old candy, get you some good old hot chocolate. Like, that's a good old night, 5, you can do a fall makeup look if you do your makeup. And guess what? Your girl got her makeup channel. go ahead and go over there and subscribe. It's in the description. Empress Danny Shear Beauty. And y'all watch me, you know, I'm learning how to do makeup. I ain't no makeup artist, I ain't gonna lie, but if you just enjoy watching makeup, yeah, just go ahead and over there subscribe. It's right there in the description. Okay, number 6, you can do a Shein haul. You can do a good old Shein haul, fall haul. You know, get your good old stuff that you can wear with the blazers, the cover ups, just something that you would wear in fall, the colors, just all that. Like that's a good old haul. Like a lot of people does that haul. I need to do that. I need to take down and do some of this for real. Okay. You have to do a trick-or-treating haul with your kids, especially if you have kids, because you're gonna take them trick-or-treating anyway. Why not pull out your camera, your phone, whatever it is that you record on, and make a vlog? Like, that's dope. And like this is neighborhood that I take my kids to, and it's this man every year, it never fails. They know over in that area that man, well, we haven't been trick-or-treating because of COVID in the last 2 years maybe, but before then every year we would go over there, and y'all know that this man is standing there looking like, I think he have on like a bear costume or something, and he just standing there. He's standing there so still that you just think, oh, that's just a prop. Get him every year. That thing be so funny, y'all. But that would be good memories and good footage for your trick-or-treating vlog. Okay, number 8. You know that good old Bath and Body Works. Y'all know they be coming through with them fall scents. Yeah, go ahead and get you about 10 on the bad boys. Yeah, whatever. Or even Target, they're good. Home Goods, we have it. Walmart too, have the good old fall scents. Go ahead and go get y'all some good old fall candles and stuff like that, and show us what y'all got. Show us what y'all made up. Show us what y'all got, baby. Okay, number 9. You can do a scare prank on your kids. Definitely, if you have kids, that would be dope. Or on your maid, on your friends, whatever you choose. Put it on camera, because y'all know people, laughter is good for the soul. For what? Laughter is good for the soul. So yeah, let's make people laugh. Wow, we do our little scare prank. Okay, you can do a cute fall hairstyle, or you can do like some ginger hair. Like, I'm not going to do that one, I know for sure, but like if you have a channel where you do hair, that's perfect, you know. I did this one last year, and I'm gonna show y'all a picture. My nails was cute. That's when I first started doing my nails. Now y'all girl think she a pro, even though I don't do them as much as I should, because I do a good job with my nails. But like, it's no excuse, no excuse, no excuse. Like, I'm gonna show y'all the picture. Y'all see the picture. No excuse. Like, that's when I first started. So y'all know, your girl, she doing it. Do you a good old fall color, good old Halloween color. And if you feel like you so advanced, or if you're trying to get there, or if you're just trying, try to do some Halloween nails like that. That's dope. That's a dope idea. But I'm not into that. Like, I'm not into doing Halloween decorating. Like, I'll do like Christmas maybe, or birthday, but Halloween, nah, not me. But that's a good idea. Okay, next one is a fall date night. This is dope. This is beyond dope, but because all you gotta do is get dressed. He get dressed, she get dressed, we all get dressed to the T with our high boots on. Oh, I already, ooh. I'm gonna do this one. I really am. I already know. I know what I'm gonna wear. I already know. But y'all see that, okay? So yeah, don't forget to like my and subscribe. That's what I was telling y'all. That's what I was telling y'all. Anyway, next one. You can show people how to make a fall intro. This intro that y'all seen in the beginning, I made it, and I did. I know I'm not no 100% pro, but I'm a type of person, I like to try to do things myself. Why would I go pay somebody $20? You know, don't get me wrong, I would if I'm being lazy. Let me get that right if I'm being lazy. But anything you can do, I can do better. I can do anything better than you. No, I'm just joking. But what baby said in that song? Baby said you can do it first, but I'm gonna do it worse. Hey, okay, let me stop. Let me stop. But yes, try. Like, some of this stuff be so easy. People be getting paid to do easy stuff. That intro probably took me no more than 30 minutes to make, and y'all see it. Yeah. The next one, you can do a fall self-care vlog. I think that's dope. You can get like pumpkin scented things, like body wash, and if they even have it, I don't know. Cause me, I don't like pumpkin. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not really a fall person when it comes to the scents and stuff. But for those who are, good idea. You also can do a fall dessert for number 15. I'm on 15, y'all. Fall desserts where you can go in the store, buy all the desserts. Good idea. And you and your kids try them. You and your significant other, y'all try them. That is a good video that I think I'm gonna do. Also, if you have a channel, please let me know down below that you have a channel. And if you're doing a Vlogmas video, go ahead and let your girl know so I can go check out some of y'all ideas, because y'all ideas might be better than mine, and I might want to go ahead and try to do them. So, alright. Next one, number 16. You can decorate your house if you are big on decorating your house in a fall theme or even Halloween theme. Both of them good vlogs regardless. So hey, if you just like decorating regardless, you can do both. Also, I think this is a very, very good one. And if Starbucks come out with a Halloween drink or whatever it is, because I know like throughout the summertime they had like a lot of drinks that I was supposed to try, and I never did. But if they do a Halloween one, I will, okay? Because I'm doing Vlogmas and that gives me a video to do. Okay, number 18. You can do a costume yourself. I'm doing my kids' costumes this year. I need to start right now because Halloween is right around the corner, really. Like, it's really around the corner. And I'm not going to tell y'all who and what they're going to be because I haven't even discussed this with them yet, because y'all know I have big kids, so they probably not going to want to do this, but I want them to do it. I want them to do it, and if they do it, y'all know I got to put it on camera. You can do number 19. You can do a boot haul. Go ahead, Shear, Fashion Nova, City Trends, Ross. Just naming some places around where I'm at, which of course y'all got them too. Even Walmart, Target, all of them. Get you some boots. Do your boot haul. That's a good idea. Then number 20. You can do a sweater haul if you're big on sweaters. I mean, hey, it's gonna be cold every day. Why not get you a couple of about 10 sweaters? And hey, you got 2 weeks worth of stuff, and then you got your boots to go with them. Like, look at her. Look at how we correlating. So you guys, I had to stop the video there, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you guys love these 20 ideas. Do not leave without liking my ish and subscribing. Peace.